Hi, I am Nilakshi. Today I am going to give one mathematics video for senior secondary standard. In this mathematics video, I am going to describe some concept of coordinate geometry. In my this video, I am going to measure the distance between 2 points in the first quadrant x and y. Okay, so let's I draw first of all the x y and x axis which cut equally at what it is equally at 0 point. Okay, this is suppose x and it is y. Now suppose I take 2 point x, P and Q. Here this P is what x1, y1, and Q it is what x2, y2. So now my goal is to to find out the distance between P and Q. So this is the distance to find out the distance between P and Q. So let us first of all I draw a perpendicular to x-axis, x plus x. So and again I draw a perpendicular to x-axis from the point Q. Okay, so now I here parallelly draw a line, that is a line parallel to x-axis, x horizontal. I draw line. Okay, this is which cut suppose in suppose at end. Okay, and I give some here also two names L and M here. So obviously this distance, that is the OL will be what x1 measurement, and the measurement of OM is what? This is because it is Q, it is perpendicular, so it is x2 is the measurement of OM. Similarly, the measurement of what? This is L, which is Allah. So PL is the measurement of PL is what? It is P. So it is a perpendicular. So it is y1. And the measurement of what? QM. QM is what? y2. Okay. So now what? Now it is, you see here, it is obviously it has become one right angle triangle. Okay, so P and Q. It is what? Hypotenuse. It is the perpendicular, and it is also a base. So according to Pythagoras definition, according to Pythagoras theorem, we know the Pythagoras theorem, na? That is the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So here hypotenuse is PQ square and is equal to what? Base square is what? PN square plus perpendicular square is what? UN square. UN square. So now I remove the square of PQ. Okay, I will remove later on. First of all, PN I will find out the measurement of Pn. Pn means what? Pn is equal to how much? Pn is, separately I will find out. Pn is what? Pn is equal to what? Pn is equal to Lm. Okay? This and this measurement are same. And this Lm is equal to what? On minus Ol. So O is equal to, Lm is equal to On minus Ol. That means what? On means what? X2. X2 and Ol means X1. So here Pn, that means we have got the Pn is equal to X2 minus X1. X2 minus X1, that means whole square, plus, then similarly I will find out the Qn. Qn, so Qn is equal to what? Qn is equal to what? This Qn is equal to Qm minus what? Nm. But here Qm measurement is what? Y2, because here the point Q is what? Y measurement is Y2. So Qm is what? And it is perpendicular. So Qm is equal to what? This Qm is equal to Y2 minus Nm. Nm, this is Nm. Nm is equal to, but we, obviously it is Nm is equal to Pn. And we know this is here. Obviously Pn is how much? Y1, because it is P Y1, Y coordinate. So here Nm is equal to Pn. So that is Nm is equal to Pn. So but here Nm is equal to Pn. So Pn means Y1. So here it is Y1. Okay. So here Qn square, that means this Qn square is equal to Y2 minus Y1. So here it is what? How much? Y2 minus Y1 the square. Okay. So now I will now remove the square of PQ. Okay. So here when I remove the square, it becomes square root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the basic of the distance between 2 points, and you may be asked in your exam that to find out 2 points. Suppose in your exam, suppose 2 points, there may given 2 points, 2 and 3 and 1 and suppose 2. If 2 points suppose, then given in exams to find out the distance between P and Q. Then according to this rule, we have to find out. Then it is very much simple. And sometimes in exam the whole things may be also asked to find out. That means what I have proved, not proof, I have evaluated the value of the distance between 2 points. This thing also may be asked to find out in exam. Also, you may be also as a sum, you may be also asked. That means find out the distance between 2 points. Then suppose distance between 2 points P and Q. Then what happens? In this case, what happens? The x here, what? X1 become 2 and y1 becomes what? 3 and x2 become 1 and y2 becomes 2. So PQ becomes very simple, root over what? x1 2 x1 minus what? Sorry, x2 minus x1. x1 no, x2 is 1, and x1 is 2, and then plus y2 minus y1 no. So y2 is 2 and y1 minus 3 whole square. Very simple. So you can do this. That means 1 minus what? 1 minus 2 minus 1, and this plus 2 minus 1, sorry, 2 minus 3 again minus 1. This is also whole square, and this is also square. This is something like this you can find out. Okay, so I hope you can do the sum like this from the in case of coordinate geometry. So I hope all the viewers or students may be benefited from my this video. Okay, thank you.